Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add a phone number on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a phone number on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app, and after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see 4 options where it says home, categories, you and the cart. Tap on the you button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings icon available for us. Tap on settings, and again tap on the account security option available for us over here, and over here you can see the mobile number option available for us. Tap on add and add your phone number over here, whichever may it be, and after that go with the necessary verification like your SMS or OTP verification, and then your phone number will be added to your Temu account. And with that being said guys, this is how to add a phone number on your Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.